You'll love writing on it. Then you'll miss your iPad. The Remarkable Paper Pro nails the paper feel, but it's $774. Its missing features your $300 tablet has. The writing experience is genuinely unmatched. The textured surface and Marker Plus create a friction that feels like pen on paper, not glass. It's the closest any device has come to replacing a physical notebook, and for focused note-taking, it's a joy. The 11.8-inch color e-ink display is a big step up from earlier monochrome models. Color highlights and sketches look vibrant, and the adjustable front light means you can write in the dark without eye strain, something e-ink users have wanted for years. The hardware is beautifully slim and light, making it easy to carry everywhere. The leatherbook folio adds a premium feel and protects the device without adding bulk, so it slips into a bag like a real notebook. Distraction-free is real, no notifications, no app store, just writing and reading. If you're someone who gets pulled into social media on an iPad, this isolation is a productivity booster, and battery life stretches for weeks. The software for organizing notes is solid. Folders, tags, and handwriting conversion work well, and writing on PDFs is seamless. For students or professionals who annotate documents, it's a practical tool. Here's what you get: the ultimate paper tablet. For the first time on a Remarkable Paper tablet, you can write, sketch, and read in color. Ultra slim and portable, but with a full-size 11.8-inch color display, adjustable reading light, and an unmatched paper-like writing experience. What's in the box? You'll find Remarkable Paper Pro, a digital notebook for unprecedented paper-like writing with 11.8 canvas color display. Marker Plus, the Remarkable pen with built-in eraser, 6 spare marker tips, book folio, a stylish protective cover in premium black leather, and USB-C cable, and paper-like writing designed to work exclusively. With the groundbreaking color display to deliver realistic friction and natural writing feel, the included Marker Plus offers precise control, incredible responsiveness, and all-day comfort. The price is steep. At $774, you're paying for a niche writing device, and for that money, an iPad, even a base model, offers a color screen, apps, and a camera, things the Remarkable simply lacks. It's hard to justify unless you're absolutely committed to the paper feel. It's a one-trick pony. You can't browse the web, check email, or run any apps, so it's useless for anything beyond writing and reading. If you need even basic multitasking, you'll be reaching for another device, making it a luxury, not a necessity. The color display is muted and slow to refresh. Colors look washed out compared to an LCD, and page turns have noticeable lag, which can be frustrating if you're used to the snappy response of a tablet. The Marker Plus has no eraser on the back like the previous model. It's a button on the side that's easy to press accidentally. Also, the folio is nice, but the device feels fragile without it, and the accessories are overpriced if you lose them. If you're a writer or student who values distraction-free focus above all, the Remarkable Paper Pro is a delightful tool, but it's a niche purchase. Most people will find an iPad or a cheaper e-ink tablet like the Boox Note Air 3C offers more value for less money. Check the links in the description for current deals on the Remarkable Paper Pro and see if it fits your workflow.